Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, today we're diving into a four-way comparison. Amplenote, Noteplan, Notion, and Evernote. These are some of the most popular note-taking and productivity apps out there, each with its own strengths. So let's break down what makes each one unique and which might be the best fit for you in 2025. Starting with Amplenote, this app stands out for its clean integration of notes and tasks. It offers features like task scoring, smart scheduling, and backlinking, making it great for both daily productivity and long-term knowledge management. You can jot down quick thoughts, turn them into actionable tasks, and prioritize everything with ease. Plus, its security-first approach and offline capabilities make it a solid choice for professionals who want power without complexity. Next up is Noteplan. This one is a dream for those who love planning their day in a calendar format. It combines markdown notes with daily scheduling, making it perfect for time blockers and people who manage their lives by the hour. It's especially optimized for Apple users with strong macOS, iOS, and iCloud integration. If you love a clean, minimal UI and use Apple devices, Noteplan is super efficient. Now let's talk about Notion. This app is in a league of its own when it comes to customization. It's not just a note taker, it's a full productivity platform. You can create databases, wikis, to-do lists, CRM systems, or even run a team dashboard, all within one workspace. It's perfect for people who want complete flexibility and don't mind building their own system from scratch. But with all that power comes a learning curve, and it might be overkill if you're just looking for a simple note and task manager. And finally, Evernote. Once the gold standard of note-taking apps, it's still widely used thanks to features like powerful web clipping, document scanning, and a straightforward notebook-style layout. It's very beginner-friendly and great for storing everything in one place: notes, PDFs, receipts, images, and more. However, it hasn't kept up with the level of innovation seen in the other apps, and some users find it dated or overpriced compared to newer alternatives. So, which one should you choose? Go with Amplenote if you want deep note task integration with minimal fuss. Pick Noteplan if you live by your calendar and want a focused, Apple-centric planner. Choose Notion if you love building custom workflows and want a super flexible all-in-one workspace. And stick with Evernote if you need a solid digital filing cabinet with strong search and capture tools. Each one serves a different kind of workflow, so the best choice really depends on how you like to organize your life and get things done.